Good morning, YouTubers. I'm meteorologist Brian Ellenberg here. We are watching AWIPS, the Doppler radar from National Weather Service office. We're watching very high weather today because we are watching a severe thunderstorm coming in, rolling in. This is the storm that's coming at us right now, and also probably this storm as well. This storm from, I say, Monday that just hit over us already passed by now. And we're also going to be looking at the weather service pattern is. We can see what's going on in the atmosphere, and this upper level low disturbance is moving away towards moving northeast. This two lows right here, and all of this here is coming right at us. There's a big major storms coming here, and also storms coming from this way. So we need to keep an eye on this today. We'll just keep on clearing that out a little bit. Save the energy. Now this is the tornado display. This is what we call the base velocity display. It's called vortex velocity display or tornado display or whatever. So anyway, but we're watching that and the Doppler radar itself. And so we're watching that as well. So we're going to go ahead and get into the forecast. So today, isolated storms with warm and humid air coming in from the west. Here's a slight risk right there, marginal risk. Tornadoes or two can't be ruled out. The timing, 12 a.m., 2 a.m., 4 a.m. I'll probably be up by then, 6 a.m. So this will be all gone by 6 a.m. in the morning. So yeah, so we're going to be watching that today. And so there you have it. That is y'all's forecast for this morning, but I will continue to update since I get them. For now, I'm meteorologist Brian Ellenberg signing out with nobody right now. My wife is sleeping. Anyway, but there's some gorgeous sun coming up, rising out. It's going to get hot and it's going to get warm. So make sure y'all have a fan and an AC on today. This is a great weather. Give us great weather. Feeling good. So make sure y'all stay tuned to the next information that comes out. Follow me on Instagram, Twitter, and also Facebook. And also make sure stay tuned for another video on the AWIPS on how to issue warnings. That is next when the severe weather threat is coming this way. Again, I'm meteorologist Brian Ellenberg signing out, and have a great rest of the day.